In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a cell horizontally in Google Sheets. Now, you might find yourself needing to divide data within a single cell into multiple cells for better organization or calculation purposes. Let's walk through this process step by step. First of all, we're going to open Google Sheets. If you haven't already done so, head over to Google Drive or type in sheets.google.com into your browser and hit enter. Once you're there, open the spreadsheet that you're working on. If you don't have an existing file, you can easily create a new one by selecting the blank option. Take a moment to ensure that you have the correct file open before proceeding, because you want to make changes to the right dataset. For our example today, we're going to focus specifically on cell C6. Move your cursor over to that cell and click on it. Now, you should notice that cell C6 is highlighted, indicating it's the one you're about to edit. Take a second to review the data in this cell to see what you're going to be working with. Next, look to the toolbar at the top of your sheet. There, you're going to find a button labeled Merge Cells. Click it, and a drop-down menu will appear showing Select Merge Type. From these options, you'll have different ways to manage how cells are combined and separated. Now, since we're looking to reverse a previously merged cell back into its original separate cells, you'll want to select Unmerge. This option will take the contents of cell C6 and redistribute it horizontally across multiple cells. By clicking Unmerge, the data initially combined will now be divided back into its previous distinct cells, horizontally spread adjacent to C6. Keep in mind that when the cell is unmerged, the data within it remains only in the first cell of the previously merged section. You'll need to manually adjust the content to fit across the new, separate cells as you see fit. Don't worry if it doesn't look quite right at first. You can refine the contents to better suit your layout needs by copying, pasting, or dragging the data into the cells adjacent to C6. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully split a cell horizontally in Google Sheets. Remember, organizing your data effectively is key to managing and analyzing information efficiently. If you're splitting multiple cells or performing this action frequently, practice will make the process much quicker and more intuitive. Thank you for following along with this guide. I hope you found it helpful and can now make your Google Sheets data more manageable. Feel free to explore other features within Sheets to continue optimizing your workflow.